Hi there! In this video, I will show you a quick and easy guide on how you can decline a Venmo payment. Okay, so according to Venmo, if you receive money from someone you don't know, your initial action should be to reach out their customer support team. They are available to assist you and can guide you to the process of reversing the payment. Additionally, if you receive a payment request from an unfamiliar person, it's advisable to promptly decline it for safety reasons. Now, you have a couple of options to avoid these things from happening again in the future. You can block the user who sent you money or requested it, as this will add an extra layer of security to your account. But let's say you need to decline a payment even from someone you know. So in this case, the best approach is to return the payment. If you receive a payment request, pay them back and that should resolve the issue. So if you want to pay them up, just open the app, find the payment in your activity, click on it and choose the refund option. Confirm and you're good to go. This simple process not only keeps your account secure but also makes transactions smooth with people you trust. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.